in the hole.
Okay.
Okay, talk in the hole. Okay, bye.
Sophia, you have to put your mouth up to the thing
Mouth on the hole.
and talk. Otherwise, it won't work.
Huh.
Hi. Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
She's good.
When you answer, you got to answer into the pipe, honey. No. Hey,
Your other ear.
Sophia,
Put it up to your mouth.
put it up to your mouth.
Say
Hello.
Did it work?
your other mouth, the mouth in front of your face.
Hi. Hi.
Hi. You can do it.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
I can't hear you.
Hi.
I can't hear you.
Hi.
You have to talk into the pipe.
Say hello to me.
You say hello to me.
Hi.
You have to talk into here. Talk into here with your mouth. Talk into here with your mouth.
Blow.
Move away from the pipe.
There's nothing to see.